How to remove Fire Kirin from Facebook. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to remove Fire Kirin from Facebook. Removing Fire Kirin from Facebook is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Log into your Facebook. Open the Facebook and log into your account if required. Go to Setting. Click on 3 horizontal line in the top right corner of the Facebook. Select Setting and Privacy and then Setting. Access App and Website. In the left hand menu on the setting, look for App and Website. Once you find it, tap on it. Find Fire Kirin. In the Active tab, you will see a list of app and website connect to your Facebook account. Locate Fire Kirin in the list. Remove the app. Check the box next to Fire Kirin. Click on Remove or Remove App. This option might be labeled differently depending on the interface. Confirm the removal. A confirmation dialog will appear. Confirm that you want to remove the app. This will disconnect Fire Kirin app from your Facebook account. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.